Medellín, Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
What's up guys, my name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, man. I'm coming live from Medellín, Colombia, and in this video I'll be telling you things about or facts about Parque Lleras. So Parque Lleras is one of the Parque Lleras. Parque means park. Lleras is just a name. Like my name is Marwa, so they could have called it Parque Marwas, but they call it Parque Lleras.
Parque Lleras, Medellín, Colombia. Crazy, man.
So Parque Lleras is located in Medellín, Colombia. Medellín is the second biggest city in Colombia after Bogota. And this park is very famous because of the nightlife. People there really party really hard, crazily hard. It's the best of the best in terms of partying. Why is it the best of the best? Because you can find clubs there, you can find people with, like, on any budget, you can have a good time.
Medellín, Colombia.
There are places for students where students just smoke weed or smoke anything or drink, you know, very cheap.
Por la mesa del picnic, huevón.
Hey, what's up? You speak English? So the way you're seeing here, this is more of students, and it's a place where students sit down and just talk.
And also there are places for high-end, you know, very expensive, classy rooftops. Oh man, that washing machine started making a lot of noise. So you can find also a very classy area, very expensive places where you can party, okay? So that's why it's called Parque Lleras, and that's why it's very famous, because it accommodates everyone on their own terms of budget. But here are the facts that I should tell you about this park. So number one is, this park has everything you can think of. But the biggest problem is, if you're going there to find a beautiful girl, let me wipe my lens. If you're going there to find a beautiful girl, sometimes it can be very hard because it's very confusing between a normal girl. My definition of a normal girl is a girl who just went out to party, want to have a good time, and does not want your money in any way, or is not into sexual stuff, like interested in you. So, you know, that's a normal girl. Or a normal girl, another definition could be, your second definition is a girl who you can meet and see a future, a very bright future, you know. Maybe one day she can be your wife, one day she can be something, you know. That's what I mean by a normal girl, okay?
That's right. Where do you live?
Here. Close to here. Sorry, don't have.
But this is your.
Yeah.
Let's take a photo before you go.
Oh,
This is so cute.
Yeah, why not?
Man, take me a photo with this guy. Man, this is so cute, man.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, baby girl.
Yeah. So I mean, like sometimes when you go down there, you may find different types of categories of girls, and there will be here, hola, hola. I have a friend here. She just disappeared. So you can find different types of girls there, and let's talk about the crazy part of it. The crazy part of it is there are a lot of working girls, freelancers, to organized tours, to everything. So
Hey, say hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Colombia. Thank you, man. Man, that girl is so cute. Thank you, man.
it's really hard to explain this, man, because you just need to come down here and see. And one of the biggest mistake I see people is people always have this fantasy of meeting a Colombian girl, this fantasy of marrying a Colombian girl, and this fantasy of marrying a Latin girl. And what they do is they come to Medellín, Colombia. And when they come to Medellín, Colombia, the worst part of it is they go to this park. And when they go to this park, they are surprised when they are talking to every girl, and every girl is saying, hey, how much money do you have? How much money will you pay me? Hey, do you know I'm working, I'm busy, I need. So they're like, man, I think people will have a bad or a wrong perception about Colombia by saying, oh, the girls there really are into like prostitution or things like that, you know. But in real sense, it's you who is making the mistake. It's you who is going to the wrong place.
She can't do anything. ¿Cómo estás?
Actually, where I'm staying right now is called La Setenta. You should try here because this place is really nice. People are calm. You meet like really normal girls who really wanna get to know you, get to know your culture, get to know your interest, get to know what you like. And that's one of the reasons why I don't like Medellín about. Because Medellín, every girl you try to meet, not really every, but I'll say mostly. People who have been here, especially guys who want to try dating, they will, any girl you meet, especially on social media, like maybe on Tinder, I would say 70% they will be like, man, you know, I'm working. Or how much money do you have? And now that transforms to a very big number, which you're like, man, it's like everybody, you know, because it's really like 70%. But I have to tell you this, and please mark my words right. There are really nice girls here, hardworking, very genuine, very honest, who totally independent, don't need your money.
Or if you want, work to 37 bar.
¿Qué horas? What
All
time?
day. The 8 a.m. at 4 p.m.
No. After 4, you come, we go for dinner.
Oh yeah, if you want, you can with me.
Okay.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Holy shit, what a body. Man, that girl is so good, man.
She is pretty.
She's really pretty.
Her body is amazing.
Hey, look another one here, man.
But the sad story of it is, the majority of the girls you see in the parks, especially the girls you see alone, they don't have a boy with them, they're just walking alone in groups of 2 or 3, especially when they are dressed to kill. They are really dressed like they are so sexy, showing their bodies. You have to be very careful.
Holy shit, man. Her body, her hair, I love that.
Yeah. Other thing is, maybe sometimes you may meet some boys in the streets telling you, hey, can I show you a place where you can go and drink, you know? We have some beautiful girls. You might think that he's talking about normal girls, but when you go there, every girl is looking at you like, you know, they expect something from you. They expect you to say hola, they expect you to say, hey, you know.
Thank you, man.
And that's the reality down here. That's one of the reasons I don't like this park at all. Because, you know, it can't really offer you the best of the best. I feel at some point, this is my own opinion, you know, I've been traveling a lot. I know sometimes maybe people just come here for some other reasons. That would be okay. But for a guy who is really seriously looking for a relationship, this park can only be good to you if you go to a normal club and you dance. And even those normal clubs, you'll meet still the girls who are totally hunters there, and they'll be like, they need everything from you, you know. They everything, I mean this, man. And so you have to be very, very, very careful. Other thing I should tell you is it's also very difficult for you to talk to a normal girl, you know, like let's, you know, I already defined a normal girl. Or I can repeat again, a normal girl is a girl who, she has no interest in any exchange of money for sexual, you know, things. That's a normal girl. She just wanna know you, she wanna know your culture, she wanna know where you're from, she wanna get to know you, you know, like there's a future. It's not a one-time thing, that's a normal girl. It's very hard for you to talk to these normal girls here because anytime you approach them, they feel bad, they feel like, look at this guy, he thinks I am here because I wanna sell him something. So you understand? So let's say you walk to a girl like, hello, she look at you like, because in her mind she thinks like you've misunderstood her, or you've mistaken her, yeah, that's the best English, you've mistaken her for a working girl. Working means a girl who wants money for you. So they look at you in a very curious way and be like this. So maybe even like me, what I did, I was with a friend yesterday. I was talking to some normal guys. The first thing I had to say is, hey, excuse me, I know you guys are not, I know you guys may look at me differently, but I know you guys are so different from what we are seeing right there. I pointed to some working girls and said, I don't want you to, you know, to misunderstand me for that. I'm here just to get to know you and, you know, to talk to you. And they were so nice women. We exchanged numbers, we exchanged Instagram, we took some photos. But generally at the start they were like, so he thought he can buy, you know? Yeah, so that is Parque Lleras, Medellín, Colombia, man. This will be the first episode, but I'll be doing 5 more episodes. Actually, the next episode will be quite different from this. It will be talking about other things. It will be talking about crazy other things, you know, quite different, but generally similar, you know. And that's how I want to leave this video, man. Please, if you enjoyed it, give it a like. Sometimes I like to give this type of videos because they are more informative. They give more information. They have a lot of details than those videos you just see girls walking in the video right, center and left, and you can't even tell like what's happening here, you know. Yeah, so ensure give this video a like, and can we please get 1,000 likes for this video in the first 10,000 views, okay? Yeah. Thank you guys, and please share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Maro, man. I'm coming live from Medellín, Colombia. And if you don't know more about me, please check videos about Cuba, Mexico, you know, Playa del Carmel, talk about videos about Dominican Republic, Haiti, Africa, you know, I talk about Africa, talk about Kenya, Rwanda. Just go check my YouTube channel, man. Dig it up like pop, 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 pop. I'll see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao from Medellín, Colombia. Bye. Marwa. Some girl wrote my name here.
All I need is you, baby, baby.